Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach before a big presentation? Or experienced that sinking feeling in your gut when receiving bad news? What if those sensations weren't just metaphors, but actual evidence of a profound biological connection between your digestive system and your brain? Recent scientific discoveries have revealed that your gut and brain are engaged in constant, sophisticated communication through what researchers now call the gut-brain axis, fundamentally changing our understanding of human health and behavior. For centuries, the gut was viewed merely as a simple processing plant for food, while the brain reigned supreme as the body's command center. However, groundbreaking research over the past 2 decades has unveiled an intricate network connecting these two organs that operates far beyond basic digestion. This connection is so significant that scientists have begun referring to the gut as our second brain, a designation that reflects its remarkable influence over our thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. The foundation of this gut-brain connection lies within the enteric nervous system, an extensive network of over 500 million neurons embedded within the walls of your digestive tract. This neural network operates independently from your central nervous system, yet maintains constant communication with your brain through multiple pathways. The primary highway for this communication is the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in your body, which carries signals bidirectionally between your gut and brain at remarkable speeds. Perhaps even more fascinating is the role of your gut microbiome in this relationship. Your intestinal tract houses trillions of microorganisms, collectively weighing approximately 3 pounds, that actively participate in this neural conversation. These microscopic inhabitants produce an array of neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, chemicals traditionally associated with brain function and mood regulation. Remarkably, approximately 90% of your body's serotonin, often called the happiness hormone, is actually produced in your gut rather than your brain. This microbial community influences your mental state through multiple mechanisms. Beneficial bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly affect brain function. Conversely, harmful bacteria can produce toxins and inflammatory compounds that may contribute to anxiety, depression, and cognitive dysfunction. The delicate balance of this ecosystem, therefore, has profound implications for your mental health. The practical implications of the gut-brain axis extend far beyond academic curiosity. Research has established connections between gut health and various neurological conditions, including anxiety, depression, autism spectrum disorders, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Patients with irritable bowel syndrome frequently experience anxiety and depression at rates significantly higher than the general population, while individuals with depression often report gastrointestinal symptoms. Furthermore, this connection influences cognitive function in measurable ways. Studies have demonstrated that gut inflammation can impair memory formation and recall, while a healthy microbiome supports optimal brain performance. The foods you consume directly impact this relationship, with processed foods and artificial additives potentially disrupting the delicate microbial balance, while fiber-rich fermented foods promote beneficial bacterial growth. Understanding the gut-brain axis opens new avenues for treatment and prevention. Therapeutic approaches now include targeted probiotics, dietary interventions, and stress management techniques that address both mental and digestive health simultaneously. This holistic perspective represents a paradigm shift in medicine, acknowledging that optimal health requires attention to the intricate connections within our bodies rather than treating organs in isolation. The next time you experience a gut feeling, remember that you're witnessing millions of years of evolutionary wisdom in action, as your second brain communicates vital information that your conscious mind has yet to process.